All right, I'm cutting straight to Amanatullah Khan, Aam Aadmi Party MLA, who has now been taken away by the Enforcement Directorate. It appears that he is now taken into custody of the ED, AAP MLA, this morning, as the AD raided his premises, already had anticipated his arrest, and this comes in the back of allegations of jobs in the Waqf Board. That he's been accused of misusing his position, and clearly the ED has had their eyes on him, and it's been an ongoing case where ED arrived at his home early this morning and they raided his premises, and right now we're looking at the ED taking him away with them. So does this mean it's an arrest? We're looking at Amanatullah Khan, Aam Aadmi Party MLA, who's now been taken away by the Enforcement Directorate, all to do with the Waqf Board jobs scam. Now, there's speculation that he could have misused his position in the Waqf Board, and now the ED, who's been investigating this case for a while, in fact, this has been under the ED radar for some time now, and in the latest we understand that Amanatullah Khan has now been taken away by the Enforcement Directorate. Clarity yet to come in whether this is an arrest, a detention, what exactly is this. But ED is now investigating a case of money laundering and irregularities in appointments that were made within the Delhi Waqf Board, which was headed by Amanatullah Khan. Shivani is also joining us for more on that. She's in fact right there, very close to where Amanatullah Khan has been detained by the Enforcement Directorate. Shivani, take us through the details. Do we know if he's arrested, if it's just a detention? This comes with regards to money laundering allegations on the Delhi Waqf Board chief, Amanatullah Khan.
See, Nabila, I'll try and show you the visuals right outside.
ईडी की टीम उनको गिरफ्तार करने आई है, लेकिन हमें जो जानकारी मिली है उसके मुताबिक अभी ईडी की टीम अमानतुल्लाह खान को लेकर जा रही है।
All right, well, we're trying to bring in reactions from our correspondents who are on the ground. ED is now investigating this case on money laundering and irregularities in the appointments that were made within the Delhi Waqf Board. Amanatullah Khan heads the Delhi Waqf Board. Shivani is with us for more on that. Go on, Shivani.
Yes, Nabila, I was telling. Emerged from Amanatullah's residence right now. I am already standing there, and Amanatullah's residence, where the ED officials had reached in the morning early today. Around 6 to 7 ED officials were there. Amanatullah did not open his flat. That's what the ED had said, that for 2 hours they had to stand out and knock at his doors. But finally, after when the local police reached here, Amanatullah had tweeted about this whole incident. We can also see a video of the confrontation that happened when the ED officials wanted to enter Amanatullah's residence in this money laundering interrogation case. But now, after 6 hours of interrogation, when ED official was here at his residence, they have taken him. He has been detained by the ED along with the local police, and the deployments of the CRPF are also here. There was a lot of chaos, dramatic scenes out here, a lot of confrontations also between Amanatullah and the ED officials. You also see the vehicles are stuck in these lanes where Amanatullah stays. This is an old case of financial irregularities and illegal recruitments when he was the chairman of Waqf Board, and this is how the ED officials wanted him to be a part of this investigation, and he was being sent around 6 summons, but he did not. That's what the ED says, that he had of course sent the replies, but he did not appear. And after this whole cumbersome ordeal that happened today between the ED and Amanatullah, his family, we see that Amanatullah has been taken now by the ED for further investigation. He will be taken to the Enforcement Directorate headquarters in Delhi, and after which the investigations will continue. We have to wait for more details on to confirm that he has been arrested or he's been detained or he's just been taken for investigation, interrogation. But you see, today was around 6 hours of interrogation, and the ED officials, around 6 to 7 ED officials, they had reached here at Amanatullah's residence. This is an old case where, as the chairman of Waqf Board, Amanatullah was involved in irregular recruitments and financial irregularities and illegal recruitments too. So this is a big financial controversy. This is